Well, I don't know. I'm gonna watch the camera, make sure it's gonna be recording. But yeah, this is usually my. Of course, I don't have my glasses. Here they are. Usually my funnest, one of the funnest things, anyways. Taking the tape off. You know, you're like, fuck. I can't believe through all this process, my screw's still welded on there yet. Too bad so far. Oh, the hell did that happen? It makes you wonder how that would have happened. Oh yeah. Oh, it leaked a little. The red leaked a little right there. Huh. Damn. I must say. So far. Still recording, I'm surprised. I haven't even been watching it. I gotta get in the habit of that. Yeah, this big. Masking stuff looks pretty good. Well. Huh. Of course, the tape's got to stick so hard to itself. I can't get it off. I gotta get a knife to cut it. You want to hold on to your tape because that paint, you touch the rest of your shit somewhere and make marks and make you mad. So I got the awning, whatever it is, taped off here now. So I got the white painted yesterday. Yeah. Oh, I don't know. I put way too much on, way too fast and thick. But we'll see what happens. I don't want to hang it up like that way too far. I want it to drip out this way. But I was gonna say, don't you just love watching paint dry? Wish I had crushed red velvet. Thinking of going around here with the gold or something, taping it off. My thing here. But I taped it off. I was gonna throw some gold on there around the window. Taped it off, kind of jaggedly, but I was gonna mist it really quick. See how much different that looks? A little subtle difference.